Hello everyone, this is Khushbaht and we are gonna start a new course of Flutter. So basically, what is Flutter? Flutter is an open source framework by Google for developing beautiful natively compiled multi-platform application from a single code base. Flutter uses Dart programming language. In short, it is the SDK for cross-platform. It means one code base and several platform apps. Development with Flutter is based on widgets. Everything you will see on the screen is a widget. Either it's structural element like a menu, button, or it's stylistic element like color. And if it's a layout element like padding, alignment, so everything on the screen is a widget. Because Flutter provides us rich widget collection of material and Cupertino widgets. This is the structure of a widget tree. The main widget is my app, then material app, scaffold. In scaffold there's an app bar. You can add text and actions and perform. You can add icons in the app bar. There's a drawer is just like a menu. We will learn about it in our coming lectures. So in body you can add different rows, columns, text, icons and buttons, containers, text fields. So these are some widgets. We will learn about everything in our upcoming lectures. So now, why you should learn Flutter? This is the main question arises in our mind. What are the possible reasons that we should give preference to the Flutter? So these are some of them are I have mentioned here. It's a multi-platform. The main reason for selecting the Flutter development is a multi-platform. You have to code for once and you can run your apps on different platform, either it's iOS, Windows, Android. The second reason is hot reload. This is the feature that any changes the developer makes in the code appear instantly in your app. Because Dart has JIT feature, which enables the fast developing experience with the feature of hot reload. Another possible reason for learning Flutter is native feature access. Through additional third-party integration, you can access the native feature with Flutter. You can reuse even Kotlin or Swift when developing your app. Now coming to the next reason, Flutter App Builder. After acquiring Flutter, Google added this feature. A great addition to the possibilities of Flutter is the App Builder, which is basically a tool to build your app, just like a Lego house. The tool provides you with a feature you can mix and match to build your own app very quickly. It is extremely helpful in prototyping. So another reason is single code base makes testing and QA easy. It's a fast and efficient. But so another question arises in our mind is when to use Flutter development. The first reason is when you want a complex user interface. Because Flutter allow you to basically control every pixel on the screen. Not only that, your application will look the same on your newer and older device. With this SDK, you can build complex, impressive UI very easily. It won't impact the performance of your application, not at all. The second possible reason and or scenario is when you need an excellent performance. Unlike React Native, Flutter doesn't require a JavaScript bridge. It renders itself. Therefore, it's much faster and performs better. Apps development with Flutter are proven to perform better without any lags cutting. If speed and performance is your priority, then I will suggest go with Flutter to build your application. You will achieve your task with a better and excellent performance. The third scenario could be when you have less time to develop the app. You have to meet your deadline. So yes, you should select you have to prefer the Flutter, because Flutter allow you for very quick code writing and using. It helps to speed up the entire software development process. Not only it is fun to work with for developers, but with the widget it's much easier to develop even complex UI. Also, the hot reload feature make it extremely easy to fix the bugs, make changes and experiment. Flutter also can reduce the time needed for testing. If speed is your concern, then my suggestion is you should go for Flutter. So this was a short introductory lecture about the Flutter. If you have any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. To stay connected, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.